Alright, so we are headed in Love Lady. We're going to the thrift store. I don't know what we're going in here for, but we're going in here to hopefully find something. So
always of interest when you go into the thrift store.
la 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 la.
They just got super quiet on
All right, so what's your inspiration behind your search?
Like I said, I know I need, I've been really trying to find me some camos. So haven't had any look at any other thrift stores. So I think my biggest find today would be trying to find some camo pants. But also,
I think I see some right over there. Yeah, nah.
that shirt crazy though.
You say move a mountain and I throw on my boots.
You like these?
Oh yeah, those are dope.
And then, honestly and truly, I like the length on them.
Yeah. This your size?
Oh, these are 36. I'm like a fucking 29, 30 waist.
Oh my gosh. Throw a dart in the bag.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, we're gonna hold on to these for right now.
Hold on.
That's crazy. You like this?
The shirt? Yeah, it's fine. It's a flannel. It's like a blend. It's not really. Yeah. It's like a blend.
I know where you at if I want you. I'm gonna think about it.
Uh-huh. Think about leaving, hell no. This is actually pretty dope. I could see those caftans that Andre Leon Talley used to wear. I could totally see that with this for sure. A little thing inside. Yeah. What you see?
Trying to sleep. I'm looking through these shirts. I kind of like this. But I'm like, what would I wear with this? It's maybe. I don't see nothing over there like by me. Everybody in there late getting sick. Everybody in the lake getting sick.
Is that right?
Now this Chicago. I like those.
Yeah, that's dope.
Pretty smooth. This I would pair with probably like these camos with like my Ugg boots or something like that. I think that'll be pretty smooth. And then you guys already seen the camos.
You got a pretty solid roundup.
Yeah. I'm pretty good. No. You like my outfit?
1373.
Yeah. Man, I feel good about my purchases today. Come on through.
Hi, good. How you doing?
Thank you. Y'all have a great day.
All right, thank you.
Have a great day.
Right? I came in dry and going out wet.
Oh, wait.
No Diddy. No, this man.
What?
Look, it don't take all that.
It don't take a lot. It don't take a lot.
Some fly shit. If you know what you're looking for, you go in and you come out. In and out. In and out. In and out.
What's the?
Windows go down.
Oh, my key. If my key. Oh no.
Oh no.
My windows. Y'all on the line.
So, I'm about to go to Urban and we're gonna do a fit challenge. Yeah, we're gonna get back with y'all.
All right, so we made our way to Urban Outfitters. We're at the Summit. We just had to do a little stint at Barnes & Noble. I had to do a couple of things on the computer, so we had to do that real quick before we got over here. But we made it. We're about to do a
5-minute fit challenge. I had to get me a little pick-me-up. I fell asleep like 3 times at Barnes. I fell asleep like 3 times at Barnes & Noble, but yeah, we're gonna do a fit challenge. And we're gonna let you guys be the judge of who you think put it on the best. So yeah, let's get to it.
all right. No public restrooms. Hello.
What's up? What's up? Good.
Oh, I'll bleep it out.
All right, so
Okay, I don't know.
what we're gonna do
the
is
instructions
the
are.
rules are. I try not to even allow you to scout the area because I feel like that's cheating. So put a timer on. We'll show them the timer as it starts. Then you have the luxury of choosing from any place in this store, anywhere you want to, and you got to put a fit together in 5 minutes. Nothing that you have on originally though can be incorporated into your fit, except for your shoes.
Shoot, I would say my
Except for
damn
your
shoes. Okay.
So, yeah, I'll let you go first since you are the guest. Yeah.
Oh, we don't go at the same time?
No, because somebody got to record it.
Oh, that's not fair.
Why is that fair?
So
I don't know what's in here either.
I gotta go first. So then you can kind of already know, like, oh, okay, he going this, he doing this.
No.
Yes, that's literally what that means.
No, but then we won't be able to get.
We're going at the same
We
time.
won't be able to get the clips of.
We just gonna have to clip it up. We can interchange the camera. Okay. All right, 3, 2, 1.
Well, I got it. No, I don't want.
All right, come on.
I'm not following you.
I know.
So he is giving me the camera, and let's just say it's kind of difficult. I'm gonna keep these glasses on more than likely though, but But I think I'm going with like a little cunnish look. Got me some jorts. Got some options to choose from. Oh, you looking very scarce over there. So you looking very scarce over there. I'm about to chew on that. Yeah. The timer just went off, and that's wraps.
I need a tank top.
Well, well. So we're about to try it on. When we come out, gonna let y'all decide on who's the best. You already know though, I'm a champion in this shit.
Gotta do a fashion.
Hey, yeah, this is what I do.
Are you already dressed? Oh.
Basically,
I'm just trying to have like a little accessory. Ooh. Period. I mean, I kind of ate a little bit.
Like,
I mean, considering, all things considering, I don't hate it. Sometimes it's all in how you know, you gotta kind of dress something up a little bit.
we could just like do a little.
Okay. Oh, dang, my stuff is locked.
It's cool. It's actually good.
All right, so this is Maleek's look.
Check the
Get the
deets,
boots.
man. Yeah.
This is the Gianni, okay?
Don't look at my shoes.
But no, like, I fucks with it. You know what I'm saying? A stylish person gonna always make it do what it do. You feel me?
So now it's time to give it to the people and just walk out here and find random people. And we just ask them what they think. So, out of us, who fitted you like the most?
Don't look at my shoes. Huh? Okay, so Maleek got 1 point.
There's one. Josh. So, of course, you know, we just did a 5-minute fit challenge.
Yeah.
And we had to choose an outfit from the store.
Sure.
So, we wanted to ask you,
Alrighty.
who outfit are you like?
Okay. Only because of the fact that I could envision myself wearing it more, I'm gonna go with his outfit.
Got you.
But as far as outfits goes, yours is more unique. And I like yours because I can see the inspiration.
Exactly.
But it's like yours is a runway look, his is an achievable look.
Got you.
If that makes difference.
Got you.
But then again, I've seen your wardrobe and it's like you peacock every day.
Exactly.
There's nothing wrong with that.
Exactly.
But like only certain people can pull that off.
Exactly.
I think that's more marketable.
Got you.
Yeah. I hope that's a good diplomatic answer.
Yes.
Appreciate it. We did a 5-minute fit challenge. We had the whole store to our, you know, we could choose a fit from the store, and we had 5 minutes to choose. So this is what we came up with, and we wanted to know who you think put it together with.
I love both of them. They're so different. Is this something that you would wear personally?
Yeah.
Well, it looks like authentic. So what you would wear, you look comfortable in it. Oh my god. I don't know. The belt it's like 2007. Delia,
Y2K vibe, yeah.
Y2K. The top is Lizzie McGuire, 2001, or She's the Man. I love the boots. Cowboy Carter. Oh my god. But I love this. This is like Hamptons, but not mayonnaise, you know?
Yeah.
Oh my god. I'm sorry, I'm gonna go with this. I'm sorry, this is the sauce.
Maleake got two?
Sorry.
So, do you mind being on camera?
I want to be on
Okay.
Yeah.
You don't have anybody else.
We got best 2 out of 3. You
Yeah.
got it.
Well,
Maleake won.
I took it this time. Next time we're gonna make sure you're a little bit more prepared, but yeah, you know, I had to.
Good though.
I appreciate it.
Well,
All right, folks. Maleake, he beat me this time, but he won't get me next time. He won't get me the next one.